music is emotions for me, so that's how would I describe music. And the deepest experience with music I have when I conduct. That's why, yeah, that's why I do it. My name is Alena Jelínková. I am 30 years old. I come from the Czech Republic. And here at ZHdK, I'm studying orchestral conducting. When I study some pieces, it's very important to have some certain humbleness for the pieces. Try to really grab what the music is about. So for me it means a lot of listening and a lot of reading the score and a lot of thinking. It's important to find the right, let's say, words, but actually it's movement. I'm trying to find my own approach to be authentic while bringing it to the musicians. If we manage to bring some emotions into the people's life during concerts, I think it's enough.